Utilization of Palletizing function. Easy Programming Software 2 has useful functions that lead to shortening the work time. The palletizing function is effective for repeated soldering under identical conditions. Let us show an example of the order of setting from the startup screen. 4 points will be soldered on a substrate. The soldering conditions are identical, which is a constant pitch travel distance of 2 pieces on the x-axis of 5.5 mm and 2 pieces on the y-axis of 8 mm. Select the Program button from the startup screen. Select a blank column, name it, and select the Edit button to launch the program list. Select Step 1 to launch the Point Edit screen. Use the joystick and the Easy Input switch for teaching to complete the program with the cleaning and soldering condition. Set the palletizing function. Enter a check mark for palletizing. In this workpiece, enter 5.5 for the offset value since the distance is 5.5 mm away in the x-axis direction. Enter 8 for the offset value since the distance is 8 mm away in the y-axis direction. Enter 2 for the x-axis direction and y-axis direction respectively, since their points are 2 pieces for the respective number of times of soldering, including the coordinate for which teaching is completed in Step 1. Select Action of Soldering from 4 patterns. This completes the setting of palletizing. Let's see the actual movement. You can set the soldering program for 4 points easily and quickly with the teaching of just a single point by using the palletizing function.